guess it's true what they say. Size doesn't matter. They're all watching a movie while their house is becoming a cartoon. Nothing says 4th of July like fireworks and hot dogs. Sure, the Iron Man has biking and swimming, but does it have a dog? This looks like the graph of my stock portfolio. Hey, just don't get any on your nice blue sweater.
Oh my God!
That's it for tonight, America. Stay classy.
Did you have to go to the bathroom, Chester? Huh? I can't believe he's still going.
She's still learning her way around.
Oh, hello. Well, that'll go on the Funny and Stone videos.
Hey, what's that dog eating? I think he's rabid. He's foaming at the mouth.
He's stuck. I am. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. We're playing catch. Oh, playing catch. He's playing dead. Oh, my God. He's playing dead. The duck's playing dead. I'm really... Oh, he got up. He tripped me. He tripped me.
A little closer. America's Funniest Home Videos is on, and it's the catch of the dog.
Oh, here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Man, if I saw a sleeping dog this big, I would definitely let it lie. Cute, but every now and then, the dark side takes over. I don't know about cats, but it's raining dogs.